Hi guys, this video will show you how your eyebrows, eyelashes, and under eye area can take you from this to that. I will be using these products to do the eyebrow shaping application. They're in no particular order. You guys enjoy it. And I also want to say I'm no MUA. I am a hairstylist, but I'm no MUA, so don't take my stuff for verbatim. This is just hints, and you can, add it to your current application or whatever, but I really hope you guys enjoy it. So first I'm going to take my little pencil like I showed y'all I got from Walmart, and I'm going to use the spool part. If your eyebrow pencil doesn't come with the spool part, you can definitely get these from like Elf. They're like $3, and you can use that. But I'm just really just going over my eyebrow to shape it so I can have a pattern. I know what to follow. And then from there, I'm really just going to outline it. Now, I do have naturally arched eyebrows, but I haven't got my eyebrows arched in a few years. So I'm kind of just doing the shape I would like it to see. Like, my tail is probably way thicker than what I'm going to draw. But I decide I want it. And I'm just doing an outline, so I'll know what to fill in with my pomade. If you don't know where your eyebrow starts, you can just take your pencil in from the corner of your eye and just go straight up. And mine's just pretty on target. And if you don't know where it ends, same difference, pretty on target. I'm going to do the other eyebrow. If they're not symmetric, it's all good, because your face is actually not super symmetrical, if that's a word. But then, that's how that would look. Just a little outline. So now I want to use my pomade, which is the Anastasia pomade. Like I say, I've had this for a minute. I bought mine from Sephora. It's the bomb. Because I'm no MUA, I'm not constantly doing my face, other people's face, so I have gotten quite a bit of use out of it. So I'm going to take my brush. I don't have, this angle brush I find works the best. I like my angle to be pointed upwards, and I'm just going to stroke in. Not too hard, but nice strokes. And I don't start at the front of the eyebrow, because the first time you start tapping the product on the eyebrow is kind of heavy, and you don't want that heaviness at the beginning of your eyebrow. So I'm going to do another little dippity-doo to the pomade. Just a few strokes back and forth, because I don't want too much product on my brush. And I'm just going to go deep in that tail. And a hint I would do is I would raise my forehead and heat my forehead to get that arch, so I know where my arch is. And then I'm just going to go to the front and do little feather strokes. Patting it in, feather strokes, however you live. Just to get a soft coloring up there. And we have that. And if you want it deeper, by all means, like I want it a little bit deeper up in here. So I'm just going to go back and do that. I mean, these are your eyebrows. So, of course, you want them appealing to other eyes, people's eyes, but you want them to look good for you. So that's eyebrow number 1. We just going to come over and do the same thing. As you see again, I'm not starting at the beginning. I'm holding my eyebrow up, as you notice. Oh, y'all. Dipping back in the pomade because I was running a little dry and I want my tail to be dark. Yeah. And there you go. And then I'm going to come back to the front of the game and just feather stroke. See where I'm lining up it? So, just a feather stroke, nothing too deep. It's a little light to me in that pocket, so I'm going to go back, I dip it in my pomade, and I'm going to just fill it in. Now, at this point, you can go, like, to me, this point's too dark. So learn, y'all, you can go like this, and it's alright. Or if you really want a clean look, you can take concealer. If I'm really trying to spruce myself up, I'm going to do the concealer. It gives you that really defined look. You can use a concealer. This bump won't let me be great. That's close to your skin tone. Or you can use this concealer that's a little bit lighter. I'm using this. It's a little bit lighter and a little bit cheaper. I'm going to use this, and I'm going to take this brush. I've seen people use smaller brushes, different brushes. I'm just accustomed to using this brush, so I continue to use this brush. Like I said, I'm no MUA. I'm just getting it how I live. So if you know a better brush, please put it in a comment. And hopefully I'll just, redo this. If you don't, or you know nothing like myself, you're just a novice. I like this brush, girl. And so I'm actually going to use another mirror. I'm just going to put a little bit under my eyebrow to just give me an outline. Once again, I'm still holding up my eyebrow, my forehead, to give me that arch in my eyebrow. And like I said, I haven't got my actual eyebrows arched in quite some time. So I'm also using this concealer to hide some of those unwanted hairs. Now, let me tell you, we novice, but we ain't dummies. We ain't going outside in these streets like this. We will not be in the streets like this. So at this point, you're going to blend out the concealer. So I pick up the same brush I used prior to put the concealer on, wipe off the excess. I'm going to pull out my eyebrow, and I'm just going to pull that product down. I got this from another YouTuber, but I pull the product down because it kind of helps me, prevents me from putting that concealer in my eyebrow when I'm blending, because I'm no MUA. I'm not doing this all the time. That I'm a novice. It's just easier for me. It's baby steps. So I pull away from the brow. Just going to pull away from the brow. You can speed all this up if you want to. So right here, I want that line to be a little cleaner, so I'm going to take my brush and take my time and kind of just smooth out that line. Then I'm going to beat it back up. Oh, right here too. I want to smooth that out some. Then, and then I'm going to go back up. Also on the bottom, I'm coming down. I'm just trying to get as much of that product as I possibly can down. So you can see, like right there, I got some concealer in the eyebrow. So I'm just going to take my brush. I had my pomade on. I didn't reapply. I'm just going to take my product. I'm just going to take my eyebrow pencil and lightly go back over that to clean it up. So now back to the blend. So I don't like this, so I'm just going to blend out. I haven't had time to clean this beauty blender from yesterday, but if you don't own a beauty blender, get one. It is awesome. I don't think I put that in the picture prior to of the tools you will use, but definitely get you one of these if you're a novice makeup lady or makeup woman, because baby, I use this for my whole face. So when I travel, I pretty much need my beauty blender and whatever other products like creams. But as you can see, I'm blending. You definitely just want to blend because we're not putting on a full face, so we won't have anything to layer over this. Just, you know, it's going to really show. So you definitely just want to blend all of that goodness out. All of that concealer just go up. I still hold skin pretty taut pulling it up. I don't know why, but I find it helps me. It gives me more surface room to blend the concealer out. Lordy. It's still a little light right here for a player, so I'm just steady blending. Blend, baby, blend. If you're gonna learn anything about me, if you decide to subscribe to my YouTube, you will know that I love to sing. Any noise is a joyful noise. Even if it's not on key. But there you go. And then sometimes I feel the beginning of the brow is too dark, so I might hit it with my beauty blender a few times, beat it up right there to soften it. I'm gonna be real with y'all. This eyebrow is a tad bit too light. But that being said, I'm gonna take my pomade and I'm gonna go over it real quick. Light strokes. Because I just want to fill it in and make it a little deeper, like its co-partner. That's much better in my opinion. They're not as symmetric as I want them to be, but better than what I started off right, ladies? And then I'm going to use my setting powder. So I took a little bit of time on my brow, so I want to set them. Set. And I'm going to take my little brush and flicker off any excess powder. And now we got eyebrows, ladies. Eyebrows. I have this bang on, so you really can't see them, but we got brows.